Can I rake up my leaves again? You won't bother him, will you? What are you doing?
Are you helping Daddy?
Oh no. Oh no!
Wilson!
Oh,
Walk out and he'll walk right back.
that's a lot of help for me, thank you.
Leaving the trail and leaves as he does so.
Oh, buddy.
He's just zigzagging in the leaves.
Hi. No, you don't need the rake. I wish you did.
Uh-oh.
Oh, get up, 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 up. Wilson, you've been a huge help today.
Well, Daddy, good job making a nice pile of leaves.
He kicked them back over the entire yard. Oh.